Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. Today's session మనకు జేఈ మెయిన్స్ సిబిఎస్ఈ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో బాగా యూస్ఫుల్ అయ్యే వెక్టర్స్ అండ్ 3D జామెట్రీ ఫార్ములాస్ ని డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అసలు వెక్టర్ అంటే ఏంటి? వాట్ డు యు మీన్ బై ఎ వెక్టర్? ఎ వెక్టర్ ఈజ్ ఎ క్వాంటిటీ which has magnitude as well as direction. Which has magnitude as well as direction. For example, this is the line's position of point A and this is the position of point B. This is the directed line segment that is from point A to point B. So A is called initial point and B is called final point. Okay, we can write it as A bar. So it has, see, a vector is a quantity which has magnitude as well as direction. So magnitude is nothing but we will measure. For example, from here to somewhere else, I walk 10 meters. So 10 meter is nothing but which is a magnitude. For example, this is like 3 centimeter. So that is called our magnitude. And it is direction is from point A to point B. So a quantity is said to be a vector. A vector is said to be a quantity which has magnitude as well as direction. Okay. Now coming to position vector. So this is our 3D coordinate plane which has x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is our origin 0, 0, 0. And this is our point P in 3D coordinate whose coordinates are x, y, z. Then the position vector OP is, we can also represent by R, which is nothing but in the direction of x axis whose I cap, and this is our z cap and this is our k cap. So position vector OP equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, so position vector of OP is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. And what about the magnitude? Second one, OP bar. We can also call it as modulus. Mod OP bar equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So that is our modulus. Now coming to vector joining 2 points. Vector joining 2 points. Okay, so the 2 points are A and B. The position vector A is x1 y1 z1, vector B is x2 y2 z2. Okay, so how AB is nothing but addition between 2 points formula, x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap, z2 minus z1 k cap. Okay, so this is our origin, this is OA bar and this is OB bar. So vector joining 2 points AB bar, see here we have direction OA plus AB. OA plus AB, that gives us resultant vector OB bar. Children, OA plus AB, both are in the same direction, that gives us resultant vector OB bar. So that's OB bar equal to OA bar plus AB bar. OB bar, this is nothing but resultant vector, OB bar equal to OA bar plus AB bar. Now if you want AB bar, what you do? OA bar you transpose. So AB bar equal to OB bar minus OA bar. Okay, in general with respect to position vector and మనకు sums ఇస్తూ ఉంటాడు. Suppose if it is given CD bar means OD bar minus OC bar అంటే second minus first one. ఇది మనకి sums చేసేటప్పుడు చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. Position vector, vector joining 2 points. Okay, now coming to third point, they will give a vector A bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. They will ask you to write scalar component. Scalar component అంటే సింపుల్ గా x, y, z, whatever it is there coefficient that we have to write. Okay, in general here they will give 2i bar plus 3j bar plus 4k bar and n plus third. So scalars ఏంటి 2, 3, 4. Sometimes they may ask vector component. Vector component అడిగినప్పుడు we have to write xi bar comma yj bar comma zk bar and రాయాలి. Okay na? Now coming to third point, they'll give a vector a, that is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. They'll ask you to write vector, unit vector along a bar. చాలా important point ఇది, unit vector along a bar. So that is a bar equal to a bar by modulus a bar, where a cap is nothing but 1. So unit vector అనగానే మన మైండ్ లో ఫిక్స్ అయిపోవాలి a bar by modulus a bar. Okay, now coming to fourth point, a bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Then they'll ask you to write these as direct ratios, and the second one these is direct cosines. So direct ratios are nothing but x comma y comma z. Coming to direct cosines, let us represent it by L comma m comma n. So whereas L is nothing but x by root over x square plus y square plus z square, whereas m is nothing but y by root over x square plus y square plus z square, whereas n is nothing but z by root over x square plus y square plus z square. And the most important note is root over L square plus m square plus n square equal to 1. Okay children, these are the most important points. A bar equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and b bar equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap and b3 k cap are collinear. As we have seen in pair of linear equation in two variables, if two equations are said to be collinear, I mean a1 by b1 equal to a2 by b2 equal to a3 by b3, right? If all three are equal, we can say that the two vectors are collinear vectors. Okay, or else we can also call it as b bar equal to lambda into a bar. Now coming to equal vectors, two vectors are said to be equal whose I coefficients are equal. Here x1 equal to must be equal to a1, x2 must be equal to a2, and x3 must be equal to a3. Then we say that two vectors are said to be equal. Now coming to section formula, so this is a bar, this is position vector a and vector b with respect to position o. So oa a bar, ob b bar, and op is position vector r bar, which is dividing p into the ratio m:n. So we have two formulas, one is internally and other one is externally. So internally r bar equal to m b bar plus n a bar by m plus n. Externally, in the sense, instead of plus here we have to write minus here, instead of plus here we have to write minus. Which is very important section formula, m b bar plus n a bar, m b bar plus n a bar by m plus n. Externally means m b bar minus n a bar by m minus n. Now we have midpoint r bar equal to a bar plus b bar by 2. Now coming to product of two vectors. Okay, so that is a bar and b bar. So that is dot product. So this is called our dot product. A bar into b bar equal to a bar modulo of a bar into modulo of b bar into cos theta. Here theta is the angle between two vectors. So we can also write it as a b cos theta. So if you want to find cos theta, a bar into b bar by modulo of a bar into modulo of b bar. If a bar is perpendicular to b bar, then whose dot product a bar into b bar is equal to 0. Most of the times మనకు బిట్స్ లో అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు ఇవి. If a bar into b bar equal to 0, then a bar equal to 0 and also b bar equal to 0. Okay children, now coming to I bar and I bar. I bar into I bar equal to j bar into j bar equal to k bar into k bar must be equal to 1. Next, they are of different positions. I bar j bar, here j bar k bar and k bar j bar equal to 0. Now a bar into a bar equal to modulo of a square, b bar into b bar equal to modulo of b square, c bar into c bar equal to modulo of c square. So a bar into b bar equal to modulo of a bar into modulo of b bar into cos theta. So we can also write it as a bar into b bar equal to ab cos theta. In dot product, a bar into b bar equal to b bar into a bar. Okay. Now coming to a bar into b bar plus c bar, that implies a bar into b bar, a bar into b bar plus a bar into c bar. Next, if two vectors are given a bar and b bar, whose dot product a bar into b bar is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. So children, these are the most important formulas that they are asking in product of vectors. Now projection of a bar on b bar. So projection of a bar on b bar equal to a bar into b bar by modulo of b bar. Coming to projection of b bar on a bar. A bar on b bar means you will get modulo of b bar in the denominator. B bar on a bar means you will get modulo of a bar in the denominator. So ఇవి కూడా మనకు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ a bar on b bar, modulo a bar into b bar by modulo of b bar. Projection of b bar on a bar is a bar into b bar by modulo of a bar. Right? Now coming to cross product. So far we have discussed about dot product. Now coming to cross product, a bar cross b bar equal to modulo of a bar into modulo of b bar into sin theta n cap, where n cap is perpendicular unit vector. This is perpendicular unit vector. Right? So a bar cross b bar equal to modulo of a bar into modulo of b bar into sin theta. Most of the time we will write. So sin theta, if you want, a modulo of a bar, mod of a bar into b bar by modulo of a bar into modulo of b bar. If a bar is parallel to b bar, then whose cross product a bar into b bar equal to 0. Now reverse, a bar into b bar equal to 0, then a bar equal to 0, b bar equal to 0, then we say that the two vectors are parallel vectors. Now coming to cross product, I bar into I bar equal to 0, j bar into j bar equal to 0, k bar into k bar equal to 0. Now a bar into a bar is 0, b bar into b bar is 0, c bar into c bar is 0. Now coming to I bar into j bar, which is nothing but k bar. Now whose reverse, j bar into I bar equal to minus k bar, children. You try to understand here. Right? J bar into k bar is I bar, but whereas k bar into j bar is minus I bar. K bar into I bar is j bar, whereas minus I bar into k bar is minus j bar. So a bar into b bar, which is not equal to b bar into a bar. Whereas in dot product, both products are equal. A bar into b bar equal to b bar into a bar. But whereas in cross product, a bar cross b bar is not equal to b bar cross a bar, which is equal to minus b bar into a bar. Student, these are the most important formulas in vectors. Most of the time, maximum if you మీకు ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ పైన మంచి గ్రిప్ ఉన్నట్లయితే మీరు ఈజీగా సమ్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ఓకే, ఇది క్విక్ రివిజన్ ఫర్ IIT JEE మెయిన్స్ అండ్ అడ్వాన్స్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు హిట్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్, like it and share it with your friend children. Thank you.